iPhone 13 price drop on Amazon, hurry. Offer valid for 4 days. iPhone 13 price drop on Amazon, fans can grab iPhone 13 with a huge price drop. Yes, Amazon is offering a discount and exchange offer on iPhone 13. The offers are valid for 4 days. Apple iPhone 13 has 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, and sports advanced dual camera system with 12MP wide and ultra-wide cameras, 12MP front camera, A15 Bionic processor, IP68 water resistance rating, and much more. The e-commerce website is offering 11% discount on iPhone 13 Plus 128GB variant in green, making the price of the phone come down to 70,900 rupees from its market price of 79,900 rupees. That is, you will be able to save 9,000 rupees on the iPhone. If you are planning to buy the iPhone 13 on exchange, you need to know that the price cut will depend upon the older phone you will be exchanging and its condition. Here is how you can purchase iPhone 13 from Amazon. Step 1. Open Amazon either on your smartphone or on laptop or desktop. Step 2. Search for iPhone 13 by directly typing it in the search bar, or you can go to the mobile section and then look for it. Or you can find link in this video description. Step 3. If you want to buy the phone on exchange, click on the With Exchange option. Step 4. Select the storage size and color of the iPhone 13 you want to buy. Step 5. This is the last step. Now you can place the order and make the payment. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on this video, and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.